In this tutorial video, you will learn how to download maps for offline use. Clicking the Tile button from the Tools menu opens the Download Tile panel. After selecting the map to download and the maximum-minimum zoom levels, the region to download must be selected. The area to be downloaded can be created by drawing or selecting from existing geometries. After determining the area, the size of the data to be downloaded can be seen with the Calculate button. Clicking the Download button will download the data. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.